हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। कैसे हैं आप लोग? अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं and you don't know me, then I'm Krishika, and in this video I'm gonna tell you why should you give your CAT exam. What is CAT exam? I'm gonna tell you all things in detail about CAT 2025. So stay tuned if you have any doubt regarding CAT 2025. So let's see in this video. I'll try to cover almost all the topics and stay tuned. So the first thing, what is CAT exam? So the first thing, are you attempting CAT 2025 this year? Yes? No? If yes, then is it your first time or you are gonna re-attempt it? So yeah, let me know it in the comments. And the very first question that comes in the minds of people like freshers and who thinks should we give CAT or not, and if yes, then what is CAT, why CAT? So first of all, everyone knows CAT is the exam for MBA entrance, right? So yeah, in for CAT exam, you should go for CAT exam only if you aim for arms and big colleges like B schools and all. And if you want a normal college, then it's okay. Like you can go for other exams like CET from Maharashtra, other state level entrance exams, and also like SNAP and MAT. So if you want like normal B schools and these things, you can go for simpler, like little simpler kind of exams. But if you're aiming for IIM, then you should go for CAT. So why CAT exam? That's what we talked about, right? So the number of questions. Uh, some people have a doubt of like how many number of questions are there in CAT exam. Like we should have a habit of solving this. So CAT doesn't have any repetitive pattern, or it doesn't give you like the same thing or same pattern every year. It depends on the mood of the examiner directly, because like before there used to come 100 questions in CAT, and then they reduced it to 76 and then kind of 66. But this year, CAT 2024, there were 68 number of questions. So we can't say how many number of questions they are gonna give us. So we have to be flexible. Whatever the number of questions is, we have to prepare accordingly. Like whatever comes, we should solve it. We should be able to solve it. And there is no fixed pattern ki these number of questions is gonna come from this topic, these number of questions is gonna come with this topic. But from till now, it's like 7 to 8 questions for arithmetic, 7-8 questions from algebra, and 3-4 from geometry, 1-2 from modern maths, number system, logarithm. But all these is not fixed. It's just about like the examiner. If I'm Lucknow, I'm Calcutta, it depends who is the paper setter of the exam. So it depends on them, like how they want to set the exam. So this was like you can go with the strict pattern of distribution, section distribution. And the next question is like how much should we prepare for CAT exam? Like there are no specific number of months. Like there is never gonna be enough studies for your CAT preparation. How much you are studying is also less. How much you study, whatever you study is gonna be the less only. Like you have to put all the energy, whatever the resources you have to make it. Like it's not you now start collecting all the resources like yeah, this from there, from here, from there. Not like that also. But yeah, you have to be stick to one kind of resources and study it to the fullest, like do the analysis, do all the topics like that are important for the exam. Like you can skip few topics, those are not much important. Like for the CAT perspective, I can say geometry. If you don't have time, like you are preparing the end of the month, then you can skip geometry. But if you are skipping geometry, your arithmetic and algebra should be very good, and then only you risk to skip geometry. And if only you are getting CAT, if you are gonna give SAT and other exams, and don't skip geometry, because geometry is needed in all the other exams. So the topic other exams are also like SNAP and MAT, CMAT, PGDBA. You can give all these exams because you can't only stay with CAT. Ki, yeah, I'm gonna make it CAT. This don't keep this overconfidence. Like yeah, it's good if you make in your CAT. That's the best thing. But if not, what if not? You should be having a backup plan. So also try for SNAP and MAT, PGDBA, CMAT and all. So then some people also ask like, why CMAT? What is CMAT? Is CMAT worth it or not? So CMAT, if I go tell you about CMAT, so CMAT, if it's your first attempt and you are ready to take the risk, and you are okay with, if you don't score well in CAT this year, you can go for it next year also. You have another chance. Then it's okay. You don't give CMAT. But if you want to make something this year only into a good B school also, like you are ready to go in a B school, then go for CMAT. Otherwise, don't go for it. And yes, so also the important thing is online or offline. So this is the last time I'm telling you in this video. I tell it in all the videos mostly. Like from online or offline, offline is better because offline, when you go to the classes, you attend it very carefully. Like online, you start procrastinating. You then feel like, right, to study now, we can do it later, and these kind of things start to happen. So offline is much better than online, I would say. But if you don't have time, you are working, then you can go for online. So yes, that's it for this video. And if you have any other doubts, then you can let me know in the comment section. And if you like my vlogs, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and bell notification icon on the